So it's quite late now, it's around 2 o'clock and I have just been watching Netflix. I was watching Ozark from the past 2 hours and now I'm kind of like over it. I don't want to watch it anymore. So even though it is a day of doing nothing, we're still gonna do things, but yeah. So I just got done waxing my arms and my legs, so I think I'm gonna clean up now everything, and while I clean I'm gonna put up a hair mask in my hair. This was like my little setup. I have my wax and all these things that needs to be thrown away. Also I have my kitchen, which is a total mess. So for my hair mask I'll just use coconut milk. It's supposed to be very good for your hair. I've used it in the past and I loved it. I also had a video which is like a very old video where I made hair mask from scratch. It was from coconut. I literally did the I had the coconut milk coming out of a fresh coconut. It was like unbelievable that I would do something like that, but I did. But now I just use this coconut milk all over my hair. I really love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this and then get back to the cleaning, and then I'll catch you guys in some time. Bye. Okay, so I'm done with all the cleaning. Kitchen is all cleaned up and I'm just gonna go wash my hair now. It's very, you know, cheetah, like very stiff and very cheetah kind of a feeling. So yeah, I'm gonna go and wash my hair, and I'm also kind of hungry now. But I'm craving something sweet, and since today is Sunday, I generally have a cheat meal on Sunday. So today I'm thinking of making something at home, which I'm gonna share with you guys once I'm back after showers. Okay guys, so I am back and I feel like my hair is so soft right now, and I cannot really smell the coconut milk, which is a good thing. But yeah, they're very soft and nice, and my secondary hair are the best. So today while they dry, they're going to be like all over the place, and by tomorrow evening or so, or later that, my hair would be silky smooth and like would look really good with all the volume. The thing is that I want to make chocolate chip cookies today. I'm really craving them, so I'm gonna make some eggless cookies. It's not going to be healthy, but I'm gonna make like a very small batch because I don't want to use it for the next days. Tomorrow I'm gonna probably start a very detox diet. Let's make cookies. So I did prepare the dough for the cookies, but I did not film it because my camera battery was low and you know it was dying. So I just charged it and I have my dough ready. It looks kind of good. I don't know how it's gonna taste though. So yeah, I have my oven preheating. So I'm not gonna line it with anything. I'm just gonna start putting the dough. So I have these sugar-free chocolate chips. I am just gonna sprinkle these on top.
Of my cookies. The shape doesn't look very good, but I honestly hope they turn out to be great.
So these are my cookies and they're going inside the oven for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so the cookies are in the oven and now I am thinking of doing something that I've always wanted to do and that I've been meaning to get time out for, which is reading. So I used to love reading. I still do love reading, but it's very, very difficult for me to, you know, get back into reading for some reason. So today is going to be the day when I resume my reading. Like, I have been reading some fiction books and non-fictional books this year, but I've not been very regular with it. And you know, I just wanna, like, even though I read like every day for like 10 minutes, I just wanna read for a long stretch of time when I'm not worried about doing the house chores. Like, I think that is also one of the major reasons why I used to read so much in India, because I was free. I was not doing like cooking, washing utensils or something like that. So I was not doing any of that. So yeah, now that I do that, I'm just super busy all the time. I'm just gonna get back to reading now. And then once my cookies are ready, I'm gonna eat my cookies and read. So yeah. The cookies are done. Let's see how they are. Ooh, nice. I like it. Let me just get it out. This is how it looks like. Really like it. Let's try a small bite. They're actually very nice. They're extremely soft. So I'm having this. So good. Okay, hi guys. So I just finished my reading. I read for like around 40 minutes and it felt so good. It was a quiet time for me, but after reading, like, because the letters in this book are so small, my head has started hurting. And it could also be because I spend most of my time working in front of a screen and I'm not used to reading like a book with my head down. So this could be a reason as well. So yeah, right now I'm just having some milk and my cookies. So this cookie is now all dismantled because I think I did something wrong. I did not line it, or I did not have a parchment paper, so it's all crumbly, but it's super yummy. So yeah, the texture wise it failed me, but it tastes amazing, so I don't mind. So I'm just gonna have, this is my dinner. I'm not gonna have anything after this, and I'm going to go for a walk. I go for a walk almost every day. I'll probably see you guys later in the night, just to wind down and end this vlog. So yeah, bye. So good, love it. So I just came back from my walk slash brisk walking. I know it sounds like a very small thing, but it's actually a very nice workout for your body and it makes you feel so good. So yeah, today was a very nice day actually. I am so glad I took this day off. And another thing, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but I did not use my phone much today and I did not check my email, which is a huge deal for me. Like, mostly from 9 to 5 I don't use social media that much, but for me to not check my email is a great deal for me. So I'm just gonna check on it right now, and what I'm gonna work on is I'm gonna do some journaling. So I have this diary over here which I use to journal my thoughts, which are a lot. And earlier I used to do this early in the morning, like the first thing I did when I wake up, and it kind of made me feel good, but sometimes it just led to a lot of complaints and a lot of you know, sometimes you don't even know you have those feelings and it comes to you. I don't know, it's totally personal. Some people do enjoy journaling in the mornings, but for me, journaling at night is kind of nice now. So this is what I do. Also, I meditated a bit today. I did not vlog it because it's something very personal, but today I took out some time. I did like a 20 minutes meditation. I wanted to vlog the footage, but then I was like, you know, I'm just tempering with the whole emotions then, so I decided not to film that part of my day. So yeah, I did meditate for 20 minutes today because I was just taking everything off and I just wanted to feel light. So yeah, this is all about it. Right now I'm just gonna call my mom and my sister. I talk with my sister almost every 2-3 days, so I had a call with her today, so we talked for some time, and I'm gonna call my mom now and just, you know, have a chill time, journal for a bit. And I think right now it's around 9:50, so I'm gonna like not work, but I'm still going to sit on my computer for 20-30 minutes, and I'm just gonna figure out all the things that I need to do for the next week. Like tomorrow is Monday, so I need to work on some things that I want to like some goals that I want to achieve, because hey, the reality is that I'm still the same person. I want a schedule. So yeah, I am gonna work on that for some time, so that, you know, I'm just prepared to wake up early tomorrow and just work. Calling my mom. हेलो,
हाँ जी बेटा,
कैसे हो?
ठीक है, ठीक
क्या
हूँ।
कर रहे हो?
तो बता, बस कुछ नहीं।
Hey guys, so welcome back, and I just got done writing my goals for the week. I feel so good that I have done this. So I have like the first column, like the first 3 columns are related to my research. So currently I'm working on like 3 different projects. I was just writing, you know, because sometimes it gets so overwhelming that you have to do so much stuff. So I just like to break it down and just write every single thing that I need to get done, hopefully this week or in like the 10 days. So yeah, I just wrote it down. Obviously I'm gonna add more and more stuff to it, but yeah, I have this so far. And once you write it down, it's easier for you to anticipate how much time do you need to get things done. So I just did that, and I also wrote some personal goals as well as some YouTube things that I want to work on. I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great week, a great day, or whatever time you're watching it. Please take care and just stay home as much as you can. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.